Dokey. Today we get to play with fire.
We're making, what is it called? Stone Fence, I believe is the name. I got it off their website. Spiritless made their Kentucky 74 with cinnamon, and I'm excited to try it. I think it's perfect for fall.
And their Kentucky 74 is kind of a bourbon alternative or whiskey, right?
Yeah, they make their spirit in the oak barrels, and they age it, and then they reverse distillation, process it. It's a whole process.
Yeah, and this is apparently something that you can sip and enjoy. So we're gonna find out if that's true.
Yes, the other one, the regular Kentucky 74, not really sippable on its own.
Sweet. Very cinnamony. I think the cinnamon takes off that kind of bitter.
It does. It does. It has 5 grams of sugar for every 2 fluid ounces, so it is on the sweeter side.
Right.
But that cinnamon does take that.
It was a really bitter kind of.
Almost
oak.
like aspirin. It had like that aspirin effect to me.
Yeah, I still get a little bit of it, but it's not as intense.
Yeah, there's more going on with the cinnamon. There's more going on with the smoky oak to distract from that.
Yeah, and the oak's a big deal. To use oak well in a drink it's a nice addition. You don't get very often.
All right, let me do your glass now.
It's almost like you need one of those kitchen torches to just.
Yes, that would be ideal.
Let's see. So we're also going to be mixing this with a little bit of all the bitters, which is one of our favorite additions. This particular one has notes of baking spice and ginger, so that should be a nice addition to the cinnamon, which now it's all about the fall spices. By smoking the glass, it should coat the inside with the oils, probably from the cinnamon.
Maybe.
I guess.
I think it's just to have a little bit of that smoky flavor for the glass. I don't think, because I'm not smoking it quite a lot.
Okay.
I don't think we're gonna get the oils or anything like
Gotcha.
that.
All right. So originally, Spiritless was out of Kentucky, and now it's out of Austin because they've moved headquarters. There's quite the burgeoning community of non-alcoholic options out there, which is a good combination because, hey, Austin's a big drinking place.
Some apple cider. Oops, making a mess. And a little bit of aromatic. Mine.
I wonder why they call it Stone Fence. That's an interesting.
It's an interesting name. That's true. Did not look to see if that was a comparable cocktail or what it was riffing off of.
Just give it a quickie. All right.
Cheers.
Cheers.
To fall.
To fall.
Smoky apple cider.
Yeah. It makes me wonder too how this would be just warm.
Oh yeah, I can see this as a warm, hot toddy type of drink. That would be really nice. I do love apple cider warm most of the time. I love the cinnamon in here. It
really
just goes really well with the cider.
So, Spiritless is in the $35 range.
It is on the higher end, and I think it's worth it though. I do like this one more than the original. And I hope this stays not just for fall, but for all year round. But we'll see. Maybe they'll come out with something interesting in the spring.
And I think that all the bitters is about 25, but this is going to last you a long time.
Yeah, they do.
A great addition to all sorts of drinks.
Unless you're like me and add 4 dashes to every drink, and then it doesn't last that long.
So, drinkability of the Stone Fins.
I love this. This is like an 8 or 9 for me.
Yeah?
I think if it was warm, it'd probably be a 9 because I would just love sipping on that when it's hot.
Cool. All right. Well, happy holidays.
Yeah.
So we're gonna have the holidays without the days. You'll be nice and sober and clear-minded.
All right. Yay.